Hi fellas, welcome back. This is Crosstourer Tony having another go at Calimoto GPS system. As you can see, I'm here. Nice arrow showing me which way to turn. In 150 metres I've got to turn a little bit. It's going to take me 17 minutes. And we'll see how it goes. I've just been watching the Harleys. Look at them. There goes one. Look. Absolutely crazy. So, here we go then. Let's see if we can get Calimoto working. So 150 metres, he's telling me to hang a left. Well, here we go. It's got a nice little red arrow in the centre of the screen there, and a nice red road to follow. It's very clear. It's better than the one I've been using. I won't say the name what I've been using, but this is even better because it's got voice directions as well, which the last one I was using didn't have. You're forever looking down at the screen to see if you're right. And now we're being prompted here by a French masculine voice. It's just some little twisties round the back of the village to see if this thing can, Calimoto can get me round. Alright, I don't know if you can hear him, he's in my ears. I don't know whether the microphone picks up. Probably not. Right, it's showing on there now, really sharp left. And there is a really sharp left. Oh no. What's this guy doing? Oh, these people today. Right, looking at it again, it's showing me another tight left coming up. Right, and where it's telling me to turn right, it's my waypoint I put in, which is just here. So we turn right. So, as we said earlier, the Euro Festival for Harley Davidsons is in Saint-Tropez and Grimaud and Cogolin, and thousands of them here. I went out to watch the parade and took an hour for them to go past. Absolute chaos. People lose their tempers in their cars because they can't get going. Can't go where they want to go. You know, it's only once a year. Let's be fair. No, it's the graphic on the iPhone looks pretty good. It shows you all the little tiny roads everywhere. Of course, Calimoto, you can do so much with it. Right, now I have to turn a bit here because that's just the beach down there. Don't want to go to the beach, do you, boys? No, nor do I. Let's get this Calimoto sorted out. Now, I came out this morning with it and forgot to plug the microphone in, so I'm doing it the second time. Well, this morning it tried to lose me. It told me to turn right when I should be turning left. So we'll see what he does this time. Showing another tight left coming. Yeah, and it's just there, so it's pretty up to date. No, it's not up to date. It's given the instructions pretty quick. So if you can see on the old screen now, Calimoto's telling me in 1 kilometre there's going to be a roundabout and telling me to turn right. That's not correct, I don't think. It's also telling me I've got 6 minutes to finish this trip. Oh, that's pretty good. So Calimoto, you can get it on Android and the Apple stores. Mine's of course Apple. And you can get one of the maps of your area, like mine is the Var and Corsica, I think. And that's free. Gratis. If you want other maps of your country, then there is a charge, and I think I read somewhere it's like 16 euros to have all of France. So I'm going to test it a little while in my area, see how I get on with it. Yeah. So on here now, I'll just show you if you can see it, guys. It's telling me to turn left at the roundabout there, and this one's telling me to turn right. Something's gonna miss. So here's that roundabout. Yeah, at the roundabout, take the exit. Well, of course I'm going to take the exit, you computerised idiot. So now I'm following the red line, so I'm all right. Right, now this is stupid. He's telling me to turn right, and I don't want to turn right. I need to turn left. I know what I'm doing. So there's something wrong between the map that I've put into it and what it's trying to tell me to do. So turn right. No, I'm not turning right. You can look on my map. I need to turn left. So now I'm really going to throw a spanner in the works, and I'm going to go straight on and see how quick he can reprogram the route for me. So now we're going to just drop into Saint-Tropez town in the village. Right, he's telling me he's calculating a new route. How long is it going to take him? I don't know. Look at this, an old English trucker. He's lost. I'd help you, mate, but I can't. Stop. Look at this, look at this. We're all over the show. Oh yeah, well look where you're going in the van. Look what he's doing. So he still hasn't calculated my new route. So here we are, this is the Place de Lys, famous town square where they play pétanque. Of course it's full of Harleys today. Don't even know where that street is. He's telling me to turn down a street. I've never heard of it here. So Place de Lys, Harleys everywhere, people in the restaurant having their afternoon tea. Ah, he's reprogrammed it. It's took him a little while, but he's managed to find my way out for me. Right, turn left. Oh, that's good. We know where we're going now. Yeah, he's back on ball again. Right, so I can't get rid of that white square in the middle of my screen because my leather gloves, there's no electrical contact, is there? I need to buy some tissue that we can use on touch screens. I don't know what it's called. You do, but I don't. Turn slightly to the right. Okay, chaps. Come some Harleys. Noisy things. Bon. In 800 metres on there, he says. What's going on here then? Breakdown? Yeah, looks like a broken down one. You know, they're bikers, but, you know, we ride past them, they never wave to you, never do the old victory V sign. So, I'm not helping them. Bad boy, Crosstourer Tony. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, let's go! Now, I think he's going to turn left. Yeah. Good on ya. Okay, so he's got me back home. Okay guys, Calimoto. Pretty good.